Hey guys, my name is Zach Ferguson, and this channel is all about helping you guys reach your tricking goals. I may not be the best tricker, but hopefully my experience can help you guys become the best. My students and I like to play trick in tricking class, and this specific class of intermediate tricking was combos, so we played trick all class. We actually played our traditional game of trick, and then we played a different game of trick that you guys may or may not see later. But since we're still in that filler arc, I thought it would be fun to record it and turn it into a video. The rules for this game are that you set a trick. It could be any trick, including like an easy thing like a hook kick or any movement that you can name essentially. And then the next person has to do that trick and then add on to the trick. They have 5 seconds to add on. That way it's a little bit easier just because the goal here is to learn and do more combos that, you know, may be unorthodox or get people used to doing stuff that they're not used to doing. If they land the 2 tricks, then it continues to the next person and continues until someone eventually messes up. If they mess up, then they get a letter. T.R.I.C.K is how we spell it out. Once you get all the letters, then you are out. If you mess up on your set, then there is no letter at all. So that's the best time to take risks. When someone gets a letter, the next person in line is the next person to set. Will I win or will my students? Let's find out.
I basically do it like I'm starting a cartwheel, and then you just stop it. You kick down to your face. Nice! No. That's not it. Dude, he can't Gumbi-Cork. Yeah, I can't do that. No way. Ha! Got him!
We still have like the 5-second rule.
Yeah, of course.
On just Gumbi.
You can absolutely do that, but you cannot put your foot down to go to it must be Brazilian style. This is our traditional, and we're doing Cali rolls. Legal, go! 5, 4. Shuriken. That was fun. Teach your shuriken. Nice run.
You know what? I'm doing it outside.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm just trying to murder you now. Whole competition. Alright. TR. Oh goodness. That was such trash.
Yes.
I don't know. He wants me to yeah, you get a T or he gets a T. Or not a T, but 11. Yeah. Whoa!
Dude, that's
Think so. Add. So it's full Dleg, and then just at the top, drop your left foot, but not your right foot. Vanish, no, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna hook kick my leg. Oh goodness. Wow. I did it! For you, sir, just do a hook wrap pull. True trickers know about a hook wrap pull. Oh, you did a wrap kick. That was really good, but you Nice. Beautiful. You can do it!
Yes, sir.
You skipped it. T.R.I.C.K.
Actually, it's just TR. I think I took that cart twist fail as a letter accidentally when I was playing the game. Sorry.
You decide whether that was hyper hook or hyper twist. It was a little weak.
There you go. I'll say that.
But I mean, yeah. Ooh, Swipeknife. Nice. Ooh, yes! Swipeknife, go! Okay. Yeah, I'm good. I'm just like, dude, that was a good hyper hook. Alright, T.R.I.C.K.
Actually, again, it's TRI.
Cork hyper, yeah. Nice. 5, 4. Oh! He got it.
I grab like here.
Once again, actually, that is TRIC, but I guess that's just how the cookie crumbles, Parker. Sorry, bro.
It's Liam and I now.
I have not gotten this set.
But actually, right. Alright, ready? Oh, man. Mess up. Guess you got a set. You were looking for you. What? I don't think so. It's not big. It's this. Oh, that's what I like it. I don't want you to feel robbed. I would have counted the hyper. Golden skater rocket. I'll count it. Oh! Alright, that's hard. I can't do that. Bro, I'm gonna fail. It's so hard. Try, I got you. I think so. Yes! I did it.
I was gonna say.
That's TR. Ooh, yeah, switch. Nice. That's a double B. Ooh, I almost died. I'm aware. Worse me yet. Yeah, go. Raiz. Go. Remember, you can't lose if you lose. You must persevere. Punches. Yep. Yes. Raiz. Flash. Yeah. Woo! Backside 9. That was good. Weak. Garbage. I saw the wall and I got freaked out. And I was like, no, I need to do it. I wanted to combo it instead of stopping. Alright. Here's it. That's TRI. What? If I was dishonorable, it wouldn't happen. Oh, alright, let's just do it for fun. fine.
Hold it selected. Okay. Also, this is
Just
the
7
last
seconds. Oh my goodness.
because of this, right?
I think it was more Swipeknife, but like I was like directly. So I'll let you do it. Good enough. Whoa, Gumbi swipe. Oh, I'm not counting that. T.R.I.C.K. Fine. No, it's aggressive. I'm not counting it. T.R.I.C.K. He's gathering his spirit. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, we just like straight up.
I missed the grab on this.
Yeah. Since it's the last You done it, what? Fricky. I hate this variation. I've never been good at it. I'm gonna grind. I'm gonna do it ever since I remember. I literally just clawed my ankle. Like I was so close. That's what I did. Got it. It wants to stick it. Yeah, that's good. Bucket cuckoo. X out. It was a lame X out. No. The most boring robot ever.
The only thing interesting is the game.
X out. Yeah. Back flip. X out, real X out, power. Good. Pull. Add. 5, 4, 3. I knew I could land it.
I did it.
Alright, good job.
Mainly because you didn't do any more Webster or side flips.
Yeah, but still.